Welcome back, everybody. Here's a real quickie. I got a box in the mail today from Wisconsin, all the way from the land of cheese. I lived in Wisconsin for a while. I lived in Sheboygan, just north of Milwaukee. What a winter that was. 5 feet of snow in 1 week. But Jim sent a box of assorted woods that he has processed and dried so that we can have some new woods to plane on. What wood is it? And he also sent some sawn veneers with it, which is interesting. Going to see what we can do with that. And really appreciate it, Jim. If you have some personally harvested woods or locally harvested woods to you, and you can come up with a piece that's maybe 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5/4 by 3, about 12 to 15 inches long, and you want to send it to me, contact me, send me an email, and then we'll exchange addresses and you can send it to the channel for us to share with other people. So that's about it for this one. A real short video. And I don't know if I'll be able to shrink the screen down and make a short out of it, or if we'll do a wide screen video. But I'm really looking forward to doing something with this, Jim. And it also gives me some ideas what to do with some of my odd woods. I have a bandsaw. I have a very good bandsaw, a big bandsaw. And making veneers has always intrigued me. And there is a device which I don't have. It's like a sawmill sled for bandsaws. I've always wanted one, and I think I know somebody in my area that might have one. I'll have to ask around. Where you put your piece of wood or your log on this sled, and it is registered, it's locked into that sled, and it goes through the bandsaw without a fence, so that the cut is perfectly straight and stress free. So veneers like this can come right off, nice even thickness off, and then you move it over, cut another one, move it over, cut another one. So send me your woods. How does the phrase go? Send me your tired, your lone masses, or something like that. Send me your woods that are lonely, and we'll plane them on the channel here. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.